Today we are working on Excel Lesson 17 Apply, which deals with conditional formatting. There's a conditional formatting button up here on your home screen, which we'll be doing. So go ahead and save the workbook with your initials at the end of it, where you normally save everything. And then we're going to insert a header with your name on the left. Current date code in the center, page number in the right, and go back to normal view. Step 4, select the following non-contiguous cells, big word, and ranges using the control key. So the first one, it says D11, so we're going to just click on that cell, and now I'm going to hold down the control key while I select the rest of these. So D13 to E13. With the control key held down, I'm going to select those. D21 to E21, these two right here. D23 to E23, these two right here. And D27 to E27, these two on the bottom. So let go of the control key now. You have those things selected. And step 5 says to apply the green-white color scale conditional format to the selection. So we're going to click on conditional formatting. We're going to highlight down to color scales, and we are looking for green-white, which is this one right here, green-white color scale, and click that. And you can see that we have things highlighted in green and blue. In your textbook it says this formatting will appear deeper green shades to the revenue and profit items that have improved the most. So you see the ones with the highest numbers have a darker shade of green. Step 6, select the following non-contiguous cells and ranges. So D12 to E12. We're going to hold down the control key again. D16 to E19. 16 to 19, so we're making a little square here. And D25 to E25. So do that. Make sure you selected all of these cells. A lot of times people will only do the one row, but make sure all those are selected. And then step 7 says apply the red-white color scale conditional formatting. So right here, go down to color scales, and red-white is this one right here. Click away from that and you can see some of the darker shades are the higher ones. Step 8, select cell B5. So click in cell B5. Apply a highlight cells rule conditional format that changes the cell formatting to a light red fill if the margin fell below 50%. So with that cell selected, we're going to click on conditional formatting, go to highlight cells rules, and then we're going to select less than, because it's asking you if it falls below 50%. Less than, click that, and right now it says 61.42, so we're going to type 50%, and it's going to be light red fill. So click the down arrow right here and select light red fill. So format cells that are less than 50% with light red fill and click OK. Weird thing about this project, nothing should happen because 61.42 is higher than 50%. So don't know why they did the project this way, but you have a conditional formatting there, but it doesn't change anything. Step 9, select cell B6 and apply a highlight cells rule conditional format that changes the cell formatting to a green fill with dark green text if it exceeds 10%. So conditional formatting, highlight cells rule. So this time it's going to be greater than, and we want this to be 10%. And we're changing it to green fill with dark green text. Green fill with dark green text. So Format cells that are greater than 10% with green filled with dark green text. Click OK. And you can see that because 12.95 is higher than 10, it is highlighted in green. So, step 10 says print the worksheet, which you know that we don't do. So go ahead and save and close the file and exit Excel, and this completes lesson 17.